Okay, so let's say you made the mistake like me and you accidentally uninstalled pip. I was not thinking when I was typing and I just pressed the button. So how do you go about reinstalling pip if you've just uninstalled pip? Well, first off, we need to go and validate that pip cannot be installed. So let's do pip install pip. That doesn't work. Pip's not there to install pip. So we need to go ahead and find where to do that. So I found a website. It's https bootstrap.pypa.io/getpip.py. So what you're going to do is you're going to highlight everything from this site. You're going to file and save as all of this information, save as all the information on the page, in a notebook. And then from here, we're going to save it wherever you like. I'm going to just put it in my downloads folder for the purpose of this video. And we can name it get underscore or dash, I should say, pip.py. So we can save that as, and it'll have all the contents from what we just did. We can exit out of that, and now we can CD into that drive. So I'm going to go to my D drive where my downloads happen, and I'm going to CD into my downloads folder. Oop, my mistake. CD, and then downloads. And then from here, I'm just going to run Python, and I'm going to call the get pip.py file. I'm going to go ahead and run that here. So that matches that there. So get pip. Okay, perfect. Let's execute and see if this works. And it does. So I'm able to go ahead and download and install pip without any issues. And to demonstrate that, let's pop open a new window quick, and I will try to install a package. So let's do pip install pydub. Perfect. And there we go. We can install pip. Or we can use pip to install packages, I should say. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like if you've enjoyed this. It means the world.